na. Oh. So,
Gawang Pinoy.
Ito yung problema, oh. So, yan ang problema niya. Sira na, crack. So, guys, this is the way how we remove the main shaft gear. This is the main shaft gear brake, clutch brake for planetary gear. So we just use this one DIY. It's not a tools, but it's a simple tools, a simple DIY. Yesterday it's hard to remove. We don't have special tools, so this morning I made this one. It's really quite useful. It looks like not very good, but it's really helpful. So we tried to remove this using this one. Yesterday we tried so many ways, but they are not work well. Then this morning I made this one. Just jack. Then this one chain. That's it. So I did to remove the gear. So we're going to replace this. This is a IC transmission. If you look this transmission, all are removing. So you know, it's really big job, but we can able to do this. Replace. Then we are going to replace order the parts. So that's it for now. Thank you so much. This is really helpful. I just want to share you DIY. This is a very quick DIY. Just sometimes you must find a way. I saw in internet the tools of this one, the special tools, is around approximately 3,000. Some are 2,000, and some there's a simple, but it's around 1,000. So if you order it, it will take 3 to 4 days from United States. So but this one, if you have a good idea, you can able to do like this. It's very simple. Yes, look. It's a simple plate metal. Then I measure it the round of this gear. Then I put it the metal here, welding completely. So yeah, look. This one it was really close, so they goes little bit like that because there's a pressure. So for the beginning, it's really high pressure because it was really tight. But when they move a little, they become smooth and smooth. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this one. So God bless you.